Hello, my dear learners. English can be your guide for learning a lot of new things from all over the world. Always remember that good readers are the future leaders. Here we have a duck. As we see, yes, it's a duck. But which sound could it give us? Yes, quack, quack. The duck is like our letters. Each letter has its own name and also its own sound. And we are writing and reading using their sounds, not their names. The first letter is A. Its sound is a, like apple. A, ant. The second letter B. B, 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 bill. B, b, banana. C, its sound is k, cat. K, car. Letter D, its sound is d, donkey. D, dog. Letter E, its sound is egg. Elephant. Letter F, its sound is fox. Fish. Letter G, its sound is grasshopper. Grapes, which is yummy. Letter H, its sound is like hat. Horse. Letter I, its sound is insects. Ink, which we are using to write. Letter J, its sound is juice. Jellyfish. Letter K, its sound is kite. Keys. Letter L, its sound is lamb. Lollipop. Yummy. Letter M, its sound is monkey. Mouse. Letter N, its sound is net. And nest. Letter O, its sound is and make your mouth like a circle. Ostrich and also orange. Letter P, its sound is piano. Yes, it's a piano. Letter Q, its sound is like queen. And also it's like question. Yes, I can hear you. And like quack for the duck. Letter R, it sounds rocket. Rabbit. Letter S, its sound is like sandcastle or like snake. Letter T, its sound is television. Tiger. Letter U, its sound is like umbrella or upside down. Letter V, its sound is v like vase or v like vegetables. Letter W, its sound is watermelon. Whale. Letter X, its sound has two sounds, K and S. X like X-ray. Or, yes, X-elephant. Letter Y, its sound is yellow. Yogurt. It's so healthy. Letter Z, its sound is zebra. Zoo. You are right. The zebra, we can see it in the zoo.